My name is Mark Lee Jr., the founder and CEO of the Credit Solution Group. I'm just coming to you with an amazing opportunity. Whether the video was shared or whether the video, whether I sent you to it, I want to say congratulations to taking a step and actually learning about this opportunity. And so I'm gonna just jump right into it. I want to tell you about a company we've partnered with that we've been able to put people in homes, we've been able to put people in cars. People have been able to walk off their job with this company. This company has been changing my life. When I started, my credit score was in the low fives. Within a little while there, within about 5 months, my credit score shot up about 153 points. I was able to go out and buy my wife a new Tahoe last year for Mother's Day. I was able to go out and move into a place to stay. We had a foreclosure over our head. We had a repo, and this stuff was stopping us from actually moving into a new home when our lease was up. So guess what happened, guys? It put us in a bad situation. We had to stay in a hotel for 45 days, and this company was a lifesaver. Our credit attorneys, the whole legal team, they was able to go in and really help me, and they can help you too. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about a little bit about what we do. I'm gonna tell you about the company that we partner with that you should partner with as well. The name of the company is called Financial Education Services. All right, the founders of this company is Mike Toloff and Paramount Nyack, right? Our emphasis we place on this company is credit restoration. That's how you are hearing about this video right now, because you know somebody that may have told you about how you can become a credit repair agent. Okay, and so also the company was founded in 2004. Our headquarters is in Farmington Hills, Michigan. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have over 100% in annual sale growth. Not only that, guys, we're a total debt-free company. And it's very powerful. You might ask yourself, how can this company be a debt-free company? Most of every one of our agents have home offices. All right. Once you invest to come into a company, guess what? You are all profit after you make your money back. It's all profit, total debt-free company. The company that I've built is totally debt-free. We don't have any overhead, okay, which is very powerful. So I'll tell you about what we offer our clients. What the FES offer our clients is something called the Protection Plan membership. So what you get in, you get credit restoration. All right. They dispute with all 3 credit bureaus at one time. You get credit monitoring. A lot of people don't know and understand how important it is to make sure that you know what's on your credit. Also, we have identity monitoring. So what that is you can keep your identity protected. Nobody can steal your name. Nobody can just run off with your credit. You don't want them to. You don't want your clients, you to take them from a certain score all the way up to the 700s, for an example, and somebody come and try to steal their identity. Well, with our identity monitoring, that would not be a problem. We'll catch that. All right. Also, we have credit attorneys. Credit attorneys, you can talk to them at any time. Once your client sign up, it'll be a portal, their online portal they'll be able to log into, and they'll be able to talk to credit attorneys at any time. Not only that, they'll be able to see everything they're working on. Okay. Also, we have a program called Credit Builder that teaches you on how to build your credit. And I think this is so important. Just think about something. You didn't learn about credit in church. Most churches didn't have a program to teach about credit. Most schools, most communities, they didn't have any programs set up when you was young to actually teach you on how to build credit. All right. Also, you get a will and trust. This is very powerful. How many people that die, family members that die with wealth or die with some possessions, and since they didn't have a will nor a trust, one family member come in and take everything, and then all of a sudden nobody get anything but that one family member. So one thing we offer to all of our clients is a will and a trust. Okay, and it's for free, guys. There's no extra money. So also, you get budgeting. We teach you on how to budget. Also, you get life insurance policy. Now, this is only for qualified agents. All right. You get up to $100,000 in life insurance. Okay. This is big, people. Also, you get debt payoff. It teaches you on how to pay off your debt. Then we have something called financial lockbox. Financial lockbox, you can put your deed in there. You can put your anything you own, your title to your cars. You can put it all in one location to where you know where everything at. And it also tell you how much your net worth is. And also we help you reach your saving goals. Everybody that gets our protection plan membership is a part of the YFL family. And I'm going to tell you why the YFL family is so important and we take pride in it, because it's a powerful foundation where we're able to give back to our young people. Okay. Each protection plan membership that's sold, everybody you help, $2 of that goes to the YFL. All right. The YFL is designed to educate young people ages of 8 to 18 on the matters of personal finance. Okay. Also, annually, they give scholarships every year. 2016, they gave 100,000. 2017, they gave 180,000. 2018, they gave 250,000, which is very powerful. 2019, they gave away 350,000. Now, this is big for our community. You got to think about this stuff. Our kids, is our future. And so when you can help educate them and take them to a different level, that's a joyous thing. That's the thing right there that, being able to give back to your community is I love the most about this company. All right. So, to get started as a client, my clients, it's $188 to get started as a client. All right. And it's $89 a month and it's no contract. All right. Just for our protection plan membership. All right. But when you come on as an agent, all right, an agent is only $100 more. I tell people all the time, if you're going to invest in something, you want to invest in something that's worth it. And our program here is worth it. Look at all of these things you get. This is very powerful, and we're still cheaper than our competitors. And I just think that is so powerful on what we get and what we do for our clients and our amazing program on what we're able to do. But check this out. If you want to come on as an agent, it's $288 to get started. All right. And it's $89 a month. OK. And you're going to get the protection plan membership. So every agent is a client. OK. Every agent is a client. That's how I got started. I had to actually borrow my $288. I knew that I needed to get my credit fixed. I knew that, but I didn't, if you're anything like me, I'm an entrepreneur by heart, and I'm passionate about helping people and changing lives. And so when I heard about the opportunity that I can get my services for free, if I became an agent, and when I heard about that, that changed my whole mindset of building a business that people need and actually partnering with this company. All right. So look, you're going to be able to build a team of agents. All right. You're going to be able to bring in business partners, people that could help you reach your community. All right. Also, you're going to get paid weekly. You also get your weekly commissions, your bonuses, and plus you get your residual. And also, if you're an agent and you qualify, you get up to $100,000 in life insurance. That is very powerful. You got to think about it. Whenever you get ready, nobody knows the expiration date. Life insurance is a way you can transfer wealth to your children. I think that's very powerful. You got to take that serious because you want to be ready. You want to be ready at all times. So we got something called Strive for 5. What is that? Some may say. Let me tell you. When you strive for 5, not only can you make $500, but you also will get your services free. All you have to do is maintain at least 5 clients a month, and your services are completely free. Isn't that powerful? Think about that thing. You've paid $288 to get into the business. You helped 5 people, right? You've already made your money back, okay? And your services are now free. Now you don't have to pay $89 a month. We have a system that's so powerful that help you get your 5 people. Isn't that amazing? So you also get $12 in residual income every time your clients pay their bill. All right. Most of our clients stay with us 3 to 6 months. We have a quick program. Our program is quick. You know, a lot of people come into the organization or come into the program are done within between 3 to 6 months on average. So guess what? Every time that client pays pays their $89 a month, you get paid $12 residual income. Just think if you had 5 clients, right, that paid their monthly, that's $60. Just think if you had 10 clients, that's $120. If you had 20 clients, that's $240, a month just off direct residual income. Isn't that powerful? That's amazing. So also you get level overrides. A lot of people may not know what that means. All right. But it's simple. It's level overrides. Let's say you bring in an agent. OK, your agent go out and help people. Guess what you get? You get residual income from your agents. And I think that's very powerful. And I'll show you how here in a second. I'll just go straight into it. So when we're going to talk about something called CAB acquisition bonus. So if you're an agent, right, you go in and you bring on another agent, maybe a relative, maybe a best friend, somebody that's business minded and want to build a business that people need and want to be able to go out and help the community. This may be for them. And so check this out. When you sign another agent up and that agent go out and make 2 sales, guess what you get? You're going to get a $100 CAB bonus for work that you didn't do, just because that's what your agent went out and did. Not only that, you're going to get that residual income. And that's what level overrides is about. So if your agent go out and sign up 10 people, guess what you get? They sign up 10 clients. Guess what? You're going to get $120 just from those 10 clients when they make their monthly payments. Isn't that powerful? Guys, you got to realize how big the credit industry is. It's a $1 billion organization, industry. It's a $1 billion industry when you start talking about the credit industry. Think about that thing. Think there's over 43 million people here in America who have bad credit. Everybody, it's almost saying like 8 out of 10 people needs credit repair or credit restoration. I just think that's very, very powerful and very important to really think how big the company is, or the need of credit is. You can't buy a house without credit. You can't get a car without credit. You can't get a cell phone. Sometimes we can't, without credit. So credit is big business. Nevertheless, so say you move up to field trainer. All right. When you hit a level of a field trainer as an agent, you'll get up to $160. When you go to senior field trainer, you get $240. When you get to sales director, they call that the money spot. Think how big this is, people. Think about this. You're a sales director, and every time you bring an agent into the organization, you get paid $380 when that agent go out and make 2 sales. Guess what you can also do? Even if the agent didn't make the sales, you could move those sales to that agent. Isn't that powerful? And you could still get paid $380. I just think it's very, very powerful. You can go all the way up until $550. This is what you call a powerful business. All right. You get paid bonuses weekly. You get paid residual income weekly. You get paid your commissions weekly. All right, so let's move along here. What do you get when you start going up into ranks and you start helping a lot of people? When you hit level 1, the company going to pay for you $600 monthly payment in a Cadillac, Mercedes, or an Audi. Okay, that is very powerful. So how many people right now would like to have a car paid for free for $600? If the company give you $600 a month on a car payment, how many people would take that offer? I know I would. So the second thing you get when you hit level 2 and 3, you get a $10,000 cash bonus, and you also get a $1,500 car allowance. Do you know how big this is? The company pays over $3.4 million in just congratulating and helping you and giving you gifts just for helping people. Are you a person that want to really help people and change people's lives? If you are, this business is for you. So level 4, look, when you reach level 4, they give you a $25,000 cash bonus. If you had $25,000 in your pocket right now, what could you do with that? Think about that thing. What could you do? Could you pay off debt? What could you do? So when you reach level 5, they give you $50,000 cash bonus with a Bentley upgrade. People are doing this. They are doing this every day. You know, we have a lot of amazing business partners that are able to get this Bentley in the $50,000 cash bonus when they reach level 5. When you reach level 6, they pay $5K towards your house payment. And I think that is very powerful. Yeah, think about that thing. That is so amazing. When they reach level 7, right, 7 through 10, you get monthly retirement bonuses. You can get $25,000 when you first hit that your level 7. That's a retirement bonus. There are so many people right now that they get to their 40s and their 50s, and they get to their 60s and 70s, and they actually retire, and their bonuses are about $3,000 to $5,000 a month. That's ridiculous. This company right here sets you up for monthly retirement bonuses. This is very powerful, okay? Also, you can get a monthly lifetime bonus from $100,000 to $150,000 to $250,000. That's extreme retirement. Guess what? All from helping people. So we're going to teach you on how to establish corporate accounts. We're going to teach you on how to develop a marketing strategy. You know, one of my trainings I specialize in is on how to build your image effectively, on how to build your Facebook, on how to build your Instagram, and use, social media. It's very powerful. So we have a lot of training on that. We're going to teach you on how to sell the protection plan membership. Okay. That is key to growing your business. How many people do you know right now who have less than perfect credit? How many people do you know right now? You know, there's some that's listening to me today under my voice that you know 5 people already. Think about that. Your services could be free already from the people you know. Okay. We also teach on how to manage a nationwide organization. Okay. We teach leadership training. All right. We build you to become great. All right. Also, we teach you on how to understand and maximize the compensation plan, on how to get paid to the maximum degree. Okay. We teach you on how to build a long-term residual income. How many people right now believe in investing? You know, a lot of people don't have any mutual funds. You have mutual funds because you're trying to build something that's long-term. In this business here, you can build it so powerful to where you can get paid every day of your life. Okay, this is very powerful. And then we're also going to teach you on how to become a successful FES leader. And we're going to also teach you on how to have the right mindset and attitude for success with FES. I was glad when I partnered and I said yes to FES. My name is Mark Lee Jr., the founder and the CEO of the Credit Solution Group. Look, if this video was sent to you by a friend, by someone you've seen on social media, get back with that person. Look, we're going to take you to the top. Look, plan, prepare, and build your future. If you don't change, your future won't. God bless. See you soon.